Now the question is, for what values of x, x minus 3 into x plus 2 into x plus 5 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 7 is greater than equals to 0. That means we need the values of x for which this expression valid. So we will try to use WAVY curve method here. Here our numerator and denominator both are expressed as the product of linear factors. So when you are having a rational function where the numerator and denominator are product of linear factors, and you need to find the values of x for which this rational function is positive or negative, then the concept says that intentionally make the denominator positive. Intentionally make the denominator positive. What it says? It says that whatever factors you are having in the denominator of odd power, means here we are having the numerator is x minus 3 into x plus 2 into x plus 5 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 7, and we need to find for what values of x this is greater than equals to 0. The denominator contains two factors x plus 1 and x minus 7, and both are of odd powers. So intentionally make the power even, means multiply the factor x plus 1 in both numerator and denominator, and also multiply the factor x minus 7 in both numerator and denominator. Now what happens? Our denominator becomes positive. Since we are having square even power of a factor, whatever values of x you will put here, you will get positive number. That means now this rational function is greater than equals to 0 if x minus 3 into x plus 2 into x plus 5 into x plus 1 into x minus 7 is greater than equals to 0. This rational function is now greater than equals to 0 if this condition satisfies. Okay, it will not depend on the denominator now, since intentionally we make the denominator positive. Now the sign of this expression only depends on the numerator. Now you know the WAVY curve method. Equate each of the factor to 0, so x will be 3, minus 2, minus 5, minus 1 and 7. Plot on the number line in increasing order. So first minus 5 will come here, then minus 2, then minus 1, then 3, then 7. Now check what is the sign here. The sign here is plus. So here you have to put plus symbol. Now proceed towards left with a alternate sign. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. You need to find for what value of x the expression is greater than equals to 0, means positive. So positive is here, here and here. So fx is greater than equals to 0 if x belongs to the first interval is minus 5 to minus 2 union. Next one is minus 1 to 3 union. Next one is 7 to infinity. Infinity is always open, and since equals to 0 you are considering, so all will be square bracket. But here at x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 7, denominator becomes 0, means the rational function will be undefined at x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 7. So whatever answer you will get, it should not contain minus 1 and 7. So wherever minus sign is, minus 1 is there, you have to put open interval, because at this point the denominator becomes 0. Again similarly at x equals to 7 the denominator becomes 0. So say for 7 also there will be open interval. So this is our final answer now. That means whatever WAVY curve method says, we have to use some more concept now. At the point where the denominator becomes 0 should be excluded from the interval. Here you have to find fx greater than 0 or less than 0 or greater than equals to 0 or less than equals to 0, always you have to exclude x equals to -1 and x equals to 7 from your answer. That means if you want to find for fx greater than 0, what will the values of x? Now it will be x belongs to -5 to -2, union -1 to 3, union 7 to infinity. 7 and -1 are always open because at this point the denominator will be 0. Now since equals to 0 is not here, so all will be open. Hope you understood this question. Thank you.